And more worrying news comes from India. Addressing the daily health bulletins, the principal scientific advisor K.V. Raghavan warned that while a second wave in India was expected, a third wave is inevitable. But its time and scale is not known yet. The Health Ministry of India has added that the country needs to be well prepared, that COVID-19 vaccines will need to be updated to deal with newer strains.
A phase 3 is inevitable, given the high levels of circulating virus, but it's not clear on what time scale this phase 3 will occur. Hopefully, incrementally, but we should prepare for new waves. Previous infections and vaccines will cause adaptive pressure on the virus for new kinds of changes which try to escape it. And therefore, we should be prepared scientifically to take care of that.
The statement from the Health Ministry comes as India continues to counter a massive spike in cases in the country. In the last 24 hours, over 380,000 fresh COVID cases were reported, taking the total case over 20 million. The country has reported more than 300,000 new cases for the 14th consecutive day. India has once again seen a record high of 3,780 deaths in the last 24 hours, taking the death toll to above 226,000. This is the 8th straight day when single-day deaths cross the 3,000 mark. Hospitals across the country, especially in the national capital, Delhi, continue to struggle for oxygen supply. The centre, which is facing the eye of courts for dire shortage of oxygen, has installed 2 oxygen plants at All India Institute of Medical Sciences and RML Hospital in Delhi. The plants have been funded by the PM CARES Fund. Meanwhile, the central government has revised the country's coronavirus testing rules to reduce pressure on diagnostic labs as India grapples with the second COVID-19 wave. The centre has said that a person does not need RT-PCR tests if they have tested positive via rapid antigen test, or if one has completed 10 days of home isolation with no fever for the last 3 days. At the time of hospital discharge, healthy individuals travelling within India do not need a negative RT-PCR test despite the requirement imposed by states. There has been a slow start to phase 3 of vaccination drive in India. Only 12 Indian states have started vaccinating 18 to 44-year-olds. As per the Health Ministry, in the first 4 days since the inoculation drive was expanded, over just 660,000 people between the age of 18 to 44 have been administered their first dose. So far, in total, 160 million doses of vaccines have been shelled out to individuals above the age of 18. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.